I'm going to talk about how useful a checkbox is for data entry in Excel. So here we have what it looks like. And so, for example, I am entering in customers or people's name, address, and then the vast majority of my customers come from Edmonton. And so I'll put in Joe Blow here. .35 something Lane. Okay, and now since the majority of my clients are here from Edmonton, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on the checkbox here, and then automatically it fills in this whole line. It saves a bunch of typing in this one section. So let me show you how I did this. So let's open up a new sheet here. The first thing that you need to do is you need to have the developer tab on your screen. So right click by the ribbon here, and then you're going to go customize ribbon, and from the dialog box that comes up, you make sure that the developer tab is checked here, and then you say OK, and then you're good. What we're going to do on this developer tab, we have an insert below a little toolbar here, a toolbox here. And then from the top Forms control, we select the checkbox. Now we go out to our screen, we press the Alt key so that it goes right into a cell, and press Enter. That's how you put it in. Now what you need to do is you need to right click on the, and then you can go Edit Text. And what you can do is you can put in whatever question you want to be answered, true or false. What I need to do here is I need to specify which cell is going to have the answer to true or false. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click again on here, and I am going to Format Control. So right now it's unchecked, but cell link, I want the answer to appear in which cell. So I'm going to click a little red arrow here, and I'm going to select the cell directly next to my my checkbox, and then I'm going to click my little red arrow again, and I'm going to say OK. So now when it's not checked, you have nothing there, but when you check it, it says true. So what we're going to do with the true is we are going to go in the next cell to the true. So we're going to enter an if statement here. So if this cell is true, then we're going to have the answer to the question, and if it's not true, if it's false, we're just going to have it say nothing. And we're going to close our quotations and our bracket here, and we're going to press Enter. And so it says answer to the question, and then if we take that checkbox off, it says nothing. Now, the other thing that we're going to do, cover over the false or the true. Now you could hide this, or the other thing you can do is you can right click this, and what we can do is we can format, and we can create a fill in here. So right now it has no fill, and so let's select the lowest level of fill that we can, and we'll say OK. And then what I simply did is I just dragged over my answer here. So if you need to have a checkbox and you check it, then you have the text already entered into the cell that you need. So that's how you use a checkbox with an if statement to simplify data entry. Please subscribe.